Namaste. So I have received one more package, but it's not from Amazon. As you can see, it from Blackwell's for Learning for Life. So I have no idea what book is there inside. From the way it seems like only one book is there. So let's go ahead and see what is it. Yeah, sorry for that kind of messy opening, but I was feeling too lazy to go and look for a scissor. Also, the cardboard was quite thick. I doubt if my scissor would have been able to. Okay. This is a very nice bookmark. Okay. See, this book was a bit expensive for me compared to the other Creative Heaven books, and it might be purely because I had to get it through a third party vendor, right? So this is a color by number by I believe this is Jordan Pereira, and it's a Creative Heaven book. I used to love drawing still life as a student in school, and it's been many years, many decades since I have done still life. I do not have the confidence anymore. There was a time when I would have probably been able to replicate this freehand, but now no longer. So I thought, let me do the next best thing is to get a still life coloring book. I couldn't find a just a normal coloring book, but I found this one, color by number, which is fair enough, good for me, and I thought, let me get hold of it. Okay, so these are, I'm assuming, the finished pictures on how they are going to look. One thing which strikes out to me is that most of it seems to be red or purple. I don't know if you can see it the same way, or maybe I'm just being biased, but it's like red, red, purple, red, purple, red, purple, red, purple. So a bit disappointed. Because still life doesn't necessarily have to be just two colors. They do have a palette of 24 colors, but I'm thinking this will be like the other Creative Heaven books where the palette is available only on the back cover page or back of the front page, front cover page, whatever. So if that's so, then this is going to be again difficult. I need to remember that next time when I'm ordering a color by number from Creative Heaven, because it's really a very difficult task then to color, especially if you don't have a reference guide. Okay, then this book is a copyright edition of 2016, and this seems to be printed in 2020. So good. And there are 46 full page ready to color illustrations, and they are perforated. So, and the paper quality is actually quite good. I like the way I can feel the touch, and though you can actually see a little bit of the drawing, believe me, when I'm touching it, it's quite good. This is the cover page. Also, one thing I am thinking, it's like mostly wine and related. So grapes, bottle, wine glass with wine, bottle with wine. So maybe it's a theme, or they were just lazy and they decided to use one specific concept. This seems to be something different, but let's see. So now fruits and vegetables, I think so here. The numbers are quite light gray, but they are visible. So it's not as bad as the Creative Mandala, Creative Heaven mandala color by number. That is really very tiny. So I like the fact that the spaces are big, and the numbers are lighter gray. So when you color in, it will not show, hopefully, if you are using the right medium. In fact, I was thinking maybe markers is not a bad idea. Even if the numbers show through, I wouldn't mind so much, because the medium is really the page is really quite thick and it should be able to hold markers. And the spaces are quite big. So this book, if you really get down to it, it should be fairly easy to finish off. Like, you can include this in your books to finish type of target, and it would be fairly easy to actually achieve that goal. I think that's it. Yes, and here are the balance. But again, as I said, right, red, purple seems to be the theme in most of the pictures. So that's something which I'm finding even here. See, red and purple. I would wish if they would have had a little more variety, given the fact that they have given a palette of 24 colors. Um, let's see how it goes. But other than that, frankly, not much to complain about. Quality of the paper is good. Number of prints is quite good, 40, 45 they have given here, and one-sided. So it's really good. And I think since this was printed in the US, maybe that's why it took so long, because I did not get it in Spain, and neither did I think I did not even get it from Amazon. So that's the reason why maybe I got it so late. I do have a bit of a problem getting Creative Heaven books here. When I look at Amazon.com, I can see a lot more Creative Heaven books, but they don't deliver here. That's a problem. So I need to look at the Spain one, and then only a few of those are actually available locally. And I think uh, mm, the books that I put a link in the description, usually when you click on it, it does take you to your current location. So if you are ordering from the US or Canada or any other country, it takes you to the Amazon link in your country. So you should not have a problem if you're ordering from another country. But for me, it restricts my choice. Like, I would prefer to have a lot more variety. So for example, about the still life, I'm sure there are other books, but I'll keep an eye open. But anyways, just um, to recap, I had not ordered this book in May. I had ordered this in April, but I have got this delivery only in May. And I don't know when you will see it. I think by the time you see even this video, it should be the 3rd week of May, if I'm not wrong. If I recollect correctly, this is when this video will be up. So thanks for watching. I will put a link for this book in the description box below, and it should not cost you anything extra, but yes, it will help me to maybe invest a little more in some other books that I would like to buy. So if you have not yet subscribed, please do consider that, and have a nice day.